I don't make assumptions anymore with names.
Let's try. D.
Yep.
I'm dyslexic.
Okay.
Again, no problem with the video, no problem with you being here, but you can't block the doors. Okay?
I'm not blocking the door.
You were standing directly in front of the
Okay,
door.
but that's
She
not
wants to
blocked.
leave.
There was
You
nobody
see?
trying to exit. If she wants to exit, we'll gladly move.
Multiple times I'm peaceful. But you put your hands on me, you
Everything's gonna be
listen.
safe.
You gotta teach him that if he puts his hands on use of force, we can defend ourselves. Thank you.
Is that his?
A routine day for James Freeman turns into a legal circus when he slips on an unsalted sidewalk at a government building. After taking it upon himself to salt the walkway for public safety, he finds himself surrounded by officers who treat him like a criminal suspect rather than a fall victim. Will the police address the safety hazard, or will they focus on trespass papers and ID demands? Watch as the end oppose, victim and oppose, becomes the end oppose, aggressor and oppose, in this high-stakes battle of logic and leather jackets.
Statement from you?
Can you start that sentence over?
Sure. If you are wanting to be a victim of a crime, I'm going to take a recorded statement from you.
And can that be anonymous?
No, it cannot.
Why can't a victim statement be anonymous? You know that that's not true. You know it's not.
Are you ready to let me talk or no?
Okay.
Okay. So there has to be a couple things on a report in order for me to press charges. I have to have a suspect and a victim for this to go through the court system.
You can have anonymous
You have to
victims.
be- No, you cannot.
Yeah, you can. What do you do for Jane Does?
A victim of a crime is not a Jane Doe.
Well, a Jane Doe can be a victim of a crime. Would you not investigate that crime if it's a Jane Doe? You're not going to win at this logic game. I mean, I will provide it, but just tell me that you're asking for it because it's not required. Just be honest with me. That's all I'm
I'm
asking.
asking for it because you are reporting a crime occurred, which means that your name needs to be on my report as either the victim or the reporting party if you would like me to pursue charges.
But I know that's not true.
An officer insists she cannot take a report without the auditor's name and date of birth, claiming, and quote, "You cannot have anonymous victims," end quote. The auditor masterfully counters by asking if a, end quote, Jane Doe, end quote, can be a victim. This highlights a, and quote, massive fail, end quote, in basic legal knowledge, where an officer attempts to coerce identification by withholding the right to report a crime or a civil injury unless the citizen surrenders their privacy.
Okay,
Is
you
there a
have your own
supervisor?
feelings. Yeah, he's on scene right now.
Can I speak
What's
to
your
him?
first name?
May I speak to him? My name is Brian.
Brian, how do you
Yeah.
spell that?
Brian.
And your middle name, Brian?
Look, may I speak with the supervisor, please?
He's busy speaking.
Okay, I'll just wait to speak to him. I'll just wait to speak for him. I don't appreciate you getting, like, an attitude with me. You have. You've lied to me. He's lied to me a bunch of times. Okay, I just don't. I would like to be treated with respect, and I don't feel this. No, you either do or you do not, like Yoda, right?
I need your name and date.
Well, I would like to confirm that with your supervisor.
You would also then be subpoenaed in that court to
I would
give
like to-
your
I would just like to
testimony. I cannot subpoena you without your name and date of birth.
I would like to confirm that with your supervisor.
Certainly. We'll just stand right here and wait for him then.
Why are you so angry?
I'm doing my job.
It shows. You're very angry. I hope you find peace. There's no need for this. I asked him multiple times, back away from me. Back away, back away, back away. Is that the supervisor? Hey, are you this? Can I speak to him?
Not right now. He's busy.
Man, I'm speaking to you like a human. Can you speak to me like I'm a human?
I answered your question.
Well, yeah, but you just got an attitude. You don't speak to people like human. You speak to people like subjects, and I'm not your subject.
He's busy right now.
Okay. What's your name and badge number?
Officer Place 124.
Okay. How long have you worked here?
That's none of your business.
I'm just trying to make small talk.
Oh, well, I'm not going to make conversation with you either.
Why?
We're going to just stand here and wait for my supervisor.
Is this how you treat the victims of crimes? That's crazy, dude. That's crazy. How long have you worked here? I'm just talking to you, man.
How about we talk about you wanted to go to work, right?
I
Where
do.
you work at?
Yeah, but I don't feel comfortable asking questions because can you read me my rights?
No.
Why? Do I have the
We're
right
not
to
going
remain
to talk at all.
silent?
Right now, we're going to just wait for our supervisor.
Am I being detained?
Yes.
For what?
Well,
For what crime?
We've already told you.
Can you tell me again? Because everything I've said and everything you guys are going to see on the camera shows that I'm the victim
then
here.
you need to allow us
That's
to
the
do that
process that we're in
investigation.
right now.
So why am I, the victim, being prevented from going to work?
Because you
We
need
are-
to allow. Yeah, go ahead.
We're in the process of determining that you are the victim, but right now, I don't have the full story.
Why am I being surrounded while he's literally not? He's just allowed to sit there.
So, like I said,
Why am I being surrounded like a criminal while he's literally just sitting there?
Because you're offering the most resistance to us right now.
Resistance, I'm the victim.
Okay, well, and
What
you're not-
resistance?
You're not willing to provide that information to us right now.
What am I
we're gonna
resisting?
do,
I
Ryan,
don't
is
have-
We're gonna just wait for my supervisor because you've requested to speak to him, and we're going around in circles and not getting.
I'm in so
anywhere
much
with you.
pain, dude.
So, okay, would you like an ambulance?
No, I would like to speak to this guy.
Okay,
He
well,
looks like
I'm
he's.
not gonna allow you to do that right now.
Dude, why are you so rude?
I don't know why that's rude. I'm just telling you.
You just
directly
are.
what's-
You have a rude demeanor.
Okay, well, I'm sorry that's.
You don't need to be
coming
like
off
that. Thank you for being at least respectful.
We're gonna wait for my
Thank you.
supervisor for your request.
Yeah. Hey, are you the supervisor?
I am not, but I can tell you what's going on.
Please do.
All right, so you're going to be trespassed from the property.
Okay.
And that's going to be good for a year.
Okay.
Okay, these folks do not want to pursue charges against you for disorderly conduct, which they certainly could. You are not going to be pursuing charges for assault because you are the aggressor in all this. So bottom line is you're being trespassed.
Can I leave?
And that, yep, well,
Okay.
they got to
No,
issue you
no.
some paper
He just
first.
said, yeah. Dude,
They
why?
have to issue you some paper first. So we're going to get your information. They're going to issue you a trespass notice, and then you can leave. Okay? It'll just be another 10 minutes.
Brian, what's your middle name?
Am I required to provide
Yes,
it?
you are, because you're being trespassed.
I know that you can provide trespass warning.
Forced to provide a name for a trespass notice, the auditor spells out a name letter by letter to a confused officer. End quote. W-A-L-E-N-D-Y. End quote. It takes the officer nearly 2 minutes to realize she and Oppos. S-bin in quote, clown in quote, with the name in quote, Wallendy in quote, Wallendy. This documents A in quote, gold star in quote. Pass for the auditor in using humor to expose the absurdity of forced detention over a slip and fall incident.
Without a name. I know you can.
What's your middle name?
And I would have left. I'm willing
We're
to
going to
leave.
allow you to leave as soon as
So
I
then
print
I have
off
to
the
be
trespass notice
per
for you.
trespass. I have to be required. You have to allow me to leave before that.
No.
It's a yeah, you do.
Nope, our city attorney says that we're going to trespass you while you're on the property. What's your middle name?
E.
How do you spell that?
You don't know how to spell the letter E, genius?
What does E stand for?
Edward.
How do you spell that?
Oh, come on.
I don't make assumptions anymore with names.
Let's try. D.
Yep.
I'm dyslexic.
Okay.
W.
Yep.
You got that?
I do.
A.
Yep.
You got that one?
Yep.
You sure?
Yep.
R.
Okay.
Okay. I don't see you writing.
Okay. What's D? I'm
Which
assuming?
letter are we on?
What's your last
Oh, I
name?
thought you don't assume.
How do you
W.
spell your last name?
I know, you thought that was funny. You almost cracked a human smile. A.
Yep.
What letter are we on? What did I just give you?
I have a W and an A.
Okay, L. So I've given you W-A-L, right?
Correct?
E. That's W-A-L-E. Right? Wait, we got W-A-L-E-N. What do we got?
W-A-L-E-N.
Okay, and then D.
Yep.
What do we got now? I fell out there.
Oh, would you like an ambulance?
No, I'm okay. I just want to leave.
Okay.
What do we have? I forget.
W-A-L-E-N-D.
Why?
Perfect. What's
No,
your
why?
birthday?
I'm asking why. I'm just kidding, dude. Lighten up. 41386. Lighten up. You got clowned. She got
Stay here
clowned.
with my partners. I'll be right back with you.
She got clowned.
All right. Anderson, you can come with me.
Can I go?
She's gonna go print off some paperwork.
I don't really need it. Can I go? Can I go? I don't want the paperwork. Can I go?
Wait for your trespass notice.
I don't want it. Can I go?
Your trespass notice.
Can I wait out here?
You're gonna get your trespass notice.
For what?
So we're done conducting
For
business.
what? Can I just go? She got all my info. She got my info. Can I go?
Nope.
Why? What am I being detained for, supervisor? What's your name and badge number?
You are being detained because we were investigating this, and we're going to hand you.
What's
a
your name
form.
and badge number?
Sergeant Durenberger, badge 99.
99.
Yep.
Good year.
Yep.
Matrix came out that year. Why do you guys treat people like animals?
Okay. And you could be getting charged with disorderly conduct.
I'm just asking.
So,
I could.
yeah.
Dude, I salted their sidewalk for them.
Okay. Doesn't change the fact that your behavior meets qualifications to be charged with disorderly conduct.
Okay. I just want to go to work.
Okay, we'll get you out of here in just a couple minutes.
All right.
You're good. You're good. Come in.
What's your name and badge number?
Erickson, 139.
Erickson 139. Your turn.
McLaughlin, 178.
I got yours. Oh, did I? No.
Goldman 93.
Cool. 93 was a better year than 99. Let's
Oh, yeah?
see. Yeah, what came out that year? Well, Nirvana. Nirvana was good. We had
Good year for
Soundgarden.
music.
Yeah.
Good year for music.
Let's see. That was like 7.
What
yeah.
happened in 99? That wasn't
99.
so good.
Matrix came out. 99 kind of sucked.
Okay.
The internet made things shitty.
I can't disagree with
Yeah.
you there.
But yeah, Matrix. Oh, you know what else came out? Truman Show. Fantastic
That was a good
movie.
movie.
Yeah, that's one of my favorites.
Yeah.
And you had Office Space, another good movie. That was a good year for movies. After that, everything got shitty. Thank you for being human. It means a lot.
Is there more than just TCO in this building?
I don't think so.
All TCO? Right?
I'm gonna go wait outside, guys.
Cold out there.
Yeah,
You
but
wanna
I
wait
can't.
warm?
I got my jacket on now. I don't want to vape in there.
It's a nice leather jacket.
Thank you. I thought I wrecked it when I fell, but luckily it's a nice leather jacket. Can I go?
Not quite yet. Like I said, she's just printing off a piece of paper for you, and then you'll be out of here.
My back hurts from falling right there. Is there any way to follow up on that with you guys, or?
So we can document that in our report.
Please do,
But,
yeah.
But past that, it's a civil thing. We'd like.
Yeah,
to do
I
a
would just
civil
like that
suit,
documented
but
because
we
Just
can
on your way in, you slipped and fell, or?
I was headed back out to my car,
Oh.
and that little center part with all that green stuff that I put there was not like that.
Okay.
And so I fell right on my tailbone. It hurt real bad.
Yeah.
And then I went in, I said, hey, you guys should salt your sidewalks. And they said, we're working on it, while they sat on their asses. And I've done salting before. That is not what working on it looks like. So on my way out, I passed the salt bucket. I did it.
So that's what kind of caused or started the whole incident here.
I'm not going to answer questions beyond that, but
That's fine. I was just curious.
I know that there is a reason that they do do not want me looking like the good guy here.
Yeah.
All right, Brian, this is a copy of your trespass. You can't come back to the property in a year. If you do come back on the property within a year, you'll be arrested.
This audit results in a and quote, total fail end quote. For the officers and oppos, professionalism, but a and quote, pass end quote. For the auditor and oppos, as resilience. Despite being illegally detained and issued a 1-year trespass notice, the auditor successfully documented the hazardous conditions of the facility. By engaging in and quote, human end quote, conversation about 90s movies and music with the other officers, he exposed the contrast between tyrannical policy and common decency. The result, a viral display of why holding public servants accountable often requires a thick skin and a sense of humor. Rights aren't an oppos. TA joke, but these cops are. If you support journalists who school and quote, ID tyrants and quote, with spelling bees and refuse to let the government ignore safety hazards, hit the like button. Subscribe to James Freeman and the crew for more high-stakes accountability, and comment below. Should an officer be allowed to detain you for and oppos? Salting and oppos. A dangerous sidewalk? A routine audit at the Scituate Post Office turned volatile when staff and patrons claim recording is in quote, illegal in quote, despite federal policy. After being yelled at by a clerk and mocked for having in quote, no credentials in quote, the auditor faces a radical escalation from a furious citizen who issues a terrifying death threat. Will the state police enforce the law or side with the angry mob? Watch as a peaceful First Amendment test triggers a and oppos, Gestapo-like and oppos, arrival and a high-stakes standoff.
We're waiting for the cops so they can educate you on public photography laws.
Actually, they know exactly who you two are, and they've already claimed that you two are a fucking nuisance around here.
Oh, really?
You are upsetting patrons, and you do not have a legal right to do that.
Oh, really? I don't. I guess we're going to jail today, bro.
I didn't say you were going to jail, but you don't have a right to be a public nuisance.
It is my right to film in public.
You don't have.
We're not being nuisance. We're filming in public, sir.
For what?
Broken no law.
I don't have to give anybody any explanation.
You have to give an ID of some kind.
I don't, sir.
Yes, you do.
I don't. We're not trying to be disrespectful. We're trying.
Though, if we'd asked you to stop filming us and you're refusing to respect that, then you are disrespecting us.
Look, you just disrespected me right now.
Every time
So
you guys
relax.
keep cutting us
And
off,
you're not
we can't get a word in
disrespecting me
edgewise.
by taking my picture?
I'm not,
When
sir.
I don't want you to.
Well, you approached me first, sir.
I did not approach you. You're in there.
Did I talk to you? Or did you talk to me?
God, help me.
Somebody help me.
Well, somebody's gonna help you find out the information. I'm trying to help you.
No, you're not.
It says
You're
right in there.
aggravating us.
It
That's
said.
all you're doing.
How is that? I'm
Because
acting
I've
as
asked you
press
to
right
stop.
now.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
If you're a press, you have to prove that you're the press.
Since when? What
Since
law is that?
forever.
What law is that?
What law? No.
Do you have? What law is that?
You just read our policy.
Your policy says that I can record in your lobby. If anybody has a problem with that, they can call the police, and we're here. Period. Period. No problem. No problem.
Quit rolling your eyes and go read the damn thing.
You read it to me. I know what he
It
said
says
to
for
me.
news purposes. News purposes?
And what news
What
purpose
news
is that?
purpose?
Oh my God! I don't have to answer any questions to you. No, I
You have
don't.
to ID yourself. You have to give us some.
Is this North Korea?
indication.
This is America. Last time we
You live
checked.
in Nazi Germany? Do I have to give you my
This is
papers?
America, and you're
Do I need to pass
disrespecting
you
my
my
rights by
papers to
filming me
travel
without my
freely?
permission.
Do you even know what you're talking about?
Oh, you
First
do.
Amendment right.
I
Film in
have
public.
for
One
10
ID.
years.
You did
have
what?
permission to
You did what?
You heard
film
me?
in there.
You did what for 10
You
years?
heard me.
I didn't hear you. I'll go back to it.
That's unfortunate.
That's fine. You're gonna learn a lesson today about public photography.
What the hell is public photography? Yeah, so it was pornography.
It's a protect.
It's
A postal clerk demands proof that the auditor is part of a and quote, news company and quote, claiming recording requires permission. The auditor masterfully points to poster 7 on the building and oppos, S-own wall, which allows photography for news purposes. This highlights a and quote, massive fail and quote. In federal training, where employees attempt to gatekeep the press by demanding non-existent, in quote, credentials, in quote, in a publicly accessible federal lobby.
It's a lawfully protected activity.
I'm trying to tell you, but you keep interrupting me. How the hell am I supposed to say?
Spill it out. Spit it out.
Sir, there's no reason to get aggravated.
I'm aggravated because the two of you are here.
But we're not doing anything wrong. Why are you just my presence when my camera is bothering you,
Yes.
sir? That
Because
cannot.
you don't have my permission.
Sir, I don't need your permission.
Yes, you do.
Sir, please don't get aggravated, sir.
I was already aggravated when the lady behind the counter was aggravated because you two were in there
Sir,
filming her.
there's a sign that says that we can take pictures
No,
for
you
news
can't.
purposes. We run a channel, okay? Since you want to know.
There you
YouTube
go.
channel, that is not the news.
Oh my God. Really? Is the news on YouTube?
Look.
CNN's on YouTube. Hey, Fox is on YouTube. Who else
You
is
are
on
not a
YouTube?
news
This
channel.
generation is moving towards the internet as their news source, okay?
What do you think
That's
generation she's
That's
in?
your opinion.
You're gonna learn today.
that's a fact, all right? It's already
It's
all
your
online.
opinion.
All right, it's my opinion. All right.
It's not my opinion.
This is
It's
our
our
first-
right to
this-
film in public.
this is our
What don't you understand?
This is our first time coming out and doing this. That's why I have no idea what I'm talking about, right?
Yeah, we have no clue what we're doing right now.
And you want to know why the police said we were a nuisance? Because we went in there and we straightened out.
No, because you're
unlaw-
upsetting people.
See? Can't
You're
even fucking talk.
upsetting people.
You know what? I'm done talking to you.
Yep.
You know what?
Good.
You have
Go
yourself a
home.
great
That'd be
day.
a good idea.
How about you go home? Don't tell me what to do. You're not my fucking master.
Look, I'm not out here to disrespect anybody, sir.
But you are
lucky.
disrespecting.
We're working on a
We
story.
politely asked you,
We're working on a story.
and we have nothing to do with that. So then
Well,
why do you need to film
What
us?
story?
You are here where I'm making my story, so I'm
What
sorry.
story?
No,
You
you're
have
not.
no ID. You have no credentials.
I don't need
You're telling me
credentials.
you are on a
Okay, sir.
story.
Let me tell you something. Have you ever heard of the First Amendment of the Constitution?
I've heard of it.
Okay, we have freedom of press, freedom of religion,
That's
freedom of
press. That's legitimate.
freedom of press means everybody can be the press. What don't you understand about that?
Free press means anybody is press. That's what it means. That's what
Anybody
it
can
says.
work on a story.
You folks would like to say.
Look at this girl. What school did you go to? Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. And then they want to disrespect me and say I'm disrespecting them. I can't wait for the police to arrive. I can't wait.
Oh, are they coming? Good.
And right after they get here, right after they leave, we're going to go right back inside and continue our filming.
You guys
Just to teach you a lesson.
Shame.
Just to teach us a lesson.
Yeah, because you're approaching. Didn't your mom tell you not to talk to strangers? Who are you?
Talking to us.
Who are you? You approached
We
us.
didn't approach you.
You didn't
Oh,
approach
no.
You were in the building.
You didn't approach.
Do you? I can't. That's why I walked away.
That's why we do this. We're bringing awareness. You're gonna go home today knowing that it's okay to do this.
No, it's not okay to harass people.
My camera cannot be considered a form of
No,
harassment.
You are personally harassing me
Oh, how am I personally harassing you now?
because I have politely asked you to
Politely.
stop filming me, and I have the right to not.
You don't
You're
have
in
the right.
public. No, you have no right. Listen,
There's no
there is
expectation.
No expectation of privacy in public. It's that simple. That's simple.
There's no expectation of privacy in public.
We're gonna be all over what you're doing.
You're gonna be on YouTube now. What did you mean by you want to get bent? It's in my video. They probably won't even show up. And whoever called, I have you on video saying that the police told you that we were what? I got it on video.
Whatever you want to
So we're gonna look into that and find out who said that too.
That's the beautiful thing about video. You don't have to say anything. It's all said right here.
Yep.
That's why businesses put up cameras.
And then you're gonna do a walk of shame. Doesn't matter. They put up cameras for whatever reason. Anybody can film in public. This is not North Korea.
In a shocking breakdown of civility, a male patron threatens to run the auditors over and then states, and quote, "I'll put you in a _ hole," end quote. The auditor correctly identifies this as a death threat. This documents the dangerous climate for citizen journalists, where common bystanders feel empowered to use lethal threats against individuals exercising their constitutional rights in public.
Again, no problem with the video, no problem with you being here, but you can't block the doors. Okay?
I'm not blocking the door.
You were standing directly in front of
Okay,
the door.
but that's
She
not
wants to
blocked.
leave.
There was
see?
nobody trying to exit. If she wants to exit, we'll gladly move. Well, we can't read minds. I mean, if I was walking into the
Again,
building,
you
Come
just
on,
can't-
officer.
can't
You
block
know
the
we're not
door.
blocking.
You
Block.
can stand right here. You just can't block the
Look.
door.
Did you inform
Whether
her?
there's no one in the lobby or
I'm
not,
sorry,
you can't
but
block
look,
the door.
if I was going to walk into this building right now, somebody's walking out.
But
is that
you
considered-
were not walking in.
But
You were
if
standing
I
in front
was,
of the door. You can't do it.
And then we moved as soon as you walked over because it looked like you
That's
wanted to
fine. We
come
have
out,
more
we moved.
important issues to
You
do,
can
like
hang here.
educating her.
Look, this is a marked off area.
Look,
There's no parking
we
here. You're
could've
not
came
impeding
inside.
anyone
We're
from
trying to
parking.
give you guys as
You're
much
not in a
privacy as
walkway.
possible.
You're not blocking anyone from coming and going. You're
Again, sir,
absolutely
I
fine
don't
right
need
here.
any
Totally good.
directives. I get it. I
Okay?
understand.
So
Yeah.
you guys hang there and do as much recording as you want. I'm totally fine with that. Have no issues. Nobody in here is going to try to stop you. We've already talked about
we
it.
know that.
Just
Thank
do me a favor
you.
and stop.
Thank you,
don't
officer.
Stop the block the door, okay, guys?
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I'm gonna debate that
Thank
whole block
you.
on the door, but-
Thank you. They love to bark orders.
Guys, she's fucking pissed.
And that's what we call the walk of shame.
It is not because you are harassing me.
That's not harassing. If I was harassing you, I'd be in jail right now. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Stop lying. You should go to jail right now.
All right, so we're leaving. You guys can stay here as long as you want. Like I said, just please don't block any of the driveway areas. Totally cool.
Bye-bye.
Like I said, just don't block any
Bye-bye.
of the parking spots. And don't stand in front of the door. This whole area right here is marked off. That's perfect for you.
Yep.
Film as much as you want. We're all good to go.
We're all set. We're out of here.
All right, very good. Thanks,
you.
guys.
Thank
Have a good
you.
day.
Quick question. What's the expert tag mean?
It's
I've never seen it before.
firearms
Sorry.
marksmanship.
Oh, nice. Oh, okay. All right, thank you.
All right,
That
guys.
was it. Thank you.
Have a good day. Take care.
Take
You
care.
too. Bye. Walk of shame. That's the drive of shame.
What? He keeps walking in front of me, and I don't want to get him.
What are you gonna do? You gonna run into her?
No, I'm gonna run into you guys if you don't get the fuck out of my way.
Are
Stop
you
filming me.
threatening
Stop
us?
filming me.
No, I'm not.
filming the shit out of you, motherfucker. Fuck you. Fuck you, bitch. Oh, prick.
Oh, oh.
Who are you calling a bitch?
That wasn't me.
Who are you calling a bitch? You just called me a bitch. Why are you
You
calling me a
seriously
bitch?
stopped in traffic?
Why are you calling me a bitch? You got no right calling me names.
You have no right to
What are you gonna do
fuck
about
you
it?
do. You're fucking blocking traffic, dummy. Move.
Oh, you just make this video way better than it was right now.
Fucking dum-dum. I'll get your plate, too.
It's a loner, dickface.
I don't give a shit.
Neither do I. You guys need to grow up and get a real job.
Is your wife a loner
My
too?
ass.
Is my wife a what? I'm
You-
on video now.
You
Is
gonna
my
touch
wife
me?
A what?
You gonna
Is my
touch me?
wife a what?
You gonna touch me?
Is my wife a what?
You gonna touch me?
Talk about my wife, I'll put you in a fucking hole.
No, you won't.
Oh, you gonna put us in a hole?
No, you won't.
That's a death threat.
That's right.
No, you won't.
101410.
Go for it.
Rhode Island plate.
This audit results in and quote, total fail and quote, for the Scituate Post Office staff, but and quote, pass and quote, for the Rhode Island State Police. The troopers correctly acknowledged, and quote, they're NOPOs. It's no problem at all with you doing whatever you want to do, and quote, as long as doors aren't in oppos. T-blocked. The auditor successfully documented the hostile environment and exposed the aggressive and quote, walk of shame and quote, of those who tried to stop the camera. The result, a viral proof that the First Amendment protects the press, even when public servants and angry mobs want them dead. This audit results in and quote, total fail and quote, for the Scituate Post Office staff, but and quote, pass and quote, for the Rhode Island State Police. The troopers correctly acknowledged, and quote, they're NOPOs. It's no problem at all with you doing whatever you want to do, and quote, as long as doors aren't in oppos. T-blocked. The auditor successfully documented the hostile environment and exposed the aggressive and quote, walk of shame and quote, of those who tried to stop the camera. The result, a viral proof that the First Amendment protects the press, even when public servants and angry mobs want them dead. What happens when a badge thinks it's a permit to touch? In today's case, an activist at an NYPD transit precinct is met with physical force just for exercising his right to record. It's a tense face-off where, and quote, safety, end quote, is used as an excuse to violate personal space. But who's really escalating the situation? Let's break down the law behind these hands-on tactics before we see how it ends.
How can I help? What's up?
CCRB complaint form?
For
For me?
For you? Okay. Give me 1 second, all right?
Just stay right here, sir. Just stay right here, please.
Why? Am I detained?
No, you're not detained. Just put one here.
I'm okay, thank you. You guys have this here, you don't want people to see it?
Can you stop with me, please? Please.
Can you stop giving me unlawful directives?
Please.
Please?
Please stop.
Excuse me, I'm gonna go to the window.
Huh?
I'm going to the window.
Brother, you can't.
The officer goes in quote, hands-on in quote, without any legal justification. In the U.S., unless you're being detained or under arrest, an officer has no right to physically push or grab you for simply standing in a public area. This is a clear case of overstepping and a failure to use de-escalation techniques.
You need to back
You can't
up,
touch
right?
me.
I can't touch you. You need to back up.
Why are you touching me?
Because you can't beat it. Please don't make this a thing.
Don't touch me.
Do
Don't
not
touch me.
back up.
You have no lawful reason to touch
Get
me.
back.
Stop
Get back.
touching me.
Get out.
Stop
I don't
touching
care.
me.
You can record all you want. Get out.
Stop touching me.
Do not put your hands up.
Don't touch
Don't
me.
put your hands
Don't
up.
touch me.
Back up.
Stop touching me. Yo, what's up with your boy, bro?
CCRB, you can
What's up with your boy?
or go online, all right?
I didn't get in nobody's face. I said, it's anywhere I moved. I said, excuse me, I'm going
You
here.
understand what I said?
Excuse me, I'm going here. It's a public area. I'm not committing a crime, bro.
I understand, but you understand
So
what
why
I
is he
said?
touching me?
You understand what I said? You
No, I
can do
didn't.
CCRB. You can call
I need
it
his
in.
card. Everybody that has the body cam on it, I need your card, please. Can I get your cards, please?
Right.
You're going hands on for no reason, bro.
Everything's good now?
You see, what's your name?
Sergeant Cuevas.
You see me before. How many times I come here and I look through the windows? What's wrong with him, bro?
It's all good. Listen.
What doesn't exist no more?
No recording and stuff. It's not done.
We have the right to record, right? How come they don't know that?
Thank you for de-escalating, Sergeant. Feel good.
I'm
Put my
clear.
hands on, like just real quick.
You can't 98 them if I didn't get no cards.
You didn't get the card? Yo.
I didn't get nobody. I want all their cards.
I'll get your cards.
You can understand why I'm a little up
Myers,
here.
his body camera is on.
You need to remind her of de-escalation. They're giving me lawful orders.
The activist correctly identifies that he ISN and oppos, T being detained. Under the Fourth Amendment, if there's no reasonable suspicion of a crime, an officer and oppos, S in quote, directive in quote, is often just a request, not a lawful order. Moving your hand away from an unauthorized touch is a protected form of self-defense.
Don't worry about it.
Please.
They're gonna be retraining. Don't worry.
The only way you can give me a lawful order is if I'm being detained, man. I'm not committing a crime. This is a public area. No, he didn't go hands on. He didn't go hands on. Your boy went hands on. All right.
I got you.
I've come here multiple times. I'm peaceful. But you put your hands on me, you gotta listen. You gotta teach him that if he puts his hands on use of force, we can defend ourselves. Thank you.
Is that his?
I gave you mine.
No, I appreciate that. Thank you.
The only way that I have to listen to what you're telling me is if I'm being detained or if I'm committing a crime. What you're doing is you're asking me politely, and I'm saying politely I refuse. I'm just looking. I come here I've been doing this 3 years. I've came here multiple times. All I do is look through the window, and that's it. You know what I mean? It's a public area, mama. You know what I mean? But the reason why the reason why y'all respond like that is because they drill police safety in your head. Not everybody's out to get you. How many people you know is going to commit a crime with 2 cameras, 3 cameras, and all these cops around? You guys got guns.
But you never know.
Yeah, but you got to build a rapport. How you doing? And I said, I'm going to look through the window. I'm going to look at that. That's it. Which one is the one that put his hands on me?
I'm not sure. You're going to tell me which one?
He's the dark skin one, short.
These 3? Oh, that angry one.
No.
What was the name of Sorry, I don't know. He was right there. He knows his name.
Bro, CCRB doesn't do nothing, bro. You can give us his name. You're not gonna get in trouble.
We got it on camera as well. It's not like it's something that we're not going to find out.
All right.
You think you're gonna get
You want
fired?
to be loyal to your coworker.
Okay.
Your coworker was wild.
Yo, what's his name? You want to give me a second? I'll get a shit.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
They're gonna go
I don't know if you
98.
guys agree with that, but
No worries, no worries.
we're the members of the public that we're supposed to defend.
God bless you, man. You look like you got a decent heart.
Be safe, man.
All right. If there's anything that goes against your morals,
Be safe out here.
leave it.
Wow, that went left quick. I did not expect that.
And that always happens to me. I think it's because I'm handsome. Cops always go hands-on with me. If it's not hands-on, it's an EDP. It's one of those two. They try to EDP me or they try to go hands-on.
Yo, my man was shaking. Did you see him? He was shaking like a leaf. Like, that's
He
the
doesn't.
venom.
He thinks that because I'm pushing his hand off of me that I'm assaulting him.
No, he's touching
I'm
you.
defending myself.
If we did that to them, we'd be on the floor. And if you did that to a stranger, it'd be harassment, right?
If the cop is touching you for no lawful reason, let's say a cop comes up to me and just starts punching me for no reason, I can fight back with reasonable. I can't kill him, but if he smacks me, I can smack him. If he pushes me, I can push him.
It's the same concept like the levels of escalation that you guys have, equal force.
Yeah, it's equal force. I can't stab him because he pushed me. You know what I mean? If he pushed me, I can push him. That's it.
That goes to them too. They have their levels of escalation, right?
Yeah.
So they can't use more force than what they're using.
You don't know how.
There it is right there. That's the one you said.
You
825.
I'm so sorry. How do you say that?
Uyola. It's Spanish. So if you're not gonna get the
825?
825.
He has 3 numbers? That means he's been here for a while, right?
No, that doesn't. The numbers don't mean anything.
Oh, I thought the ones with 5 numbers. Oh, okay. Oh, all right.
Some people have 2, 3, 5, 4.
I thought it was like social security numbers.
No,
like, you know what I mean?
It doesn't go in order. It's random.
Yeah, all right. I appreciate it. And what was your name, Sarge?
Sergeant Cuevas.
Quick question. I've been to 2 precincts yesterday and today. I went to the 90th. Signs was down. I was able to record. Right. We've been following this case thoroughly. Right.
No problem.
So we won the injunction, and you guys immediately appealed it. I'm under the impression.
You guys, not me.
The city of New York.
The activists.
I'm aware of it. Until something comes down formally, whether it can or cannot.
And that's what
I'm only going to follow as is. That's it.
Right,
so right now,
what is the latest one that you've
right
received?
now that I'm sure aware of is that you can. And right now,
Right.
we're not doing nothing.
But this is a secure facility, so
Inside,
unless we're invited in,
so right now,
we can't go in.
it's not
Yeah.
open, unless you have some business to conduct.
This
you're not
because
gonna
it's
go
secured.
in.
This is a
We
secure
will just
facility,
make
right?
sure that, you have it. You come in to make a report. Sure.
Okay.
We will do it. We just
So if I
can't
wanted to
have
file a
people-
complaint on him, would that be considered business?
Yes. You want to do that?
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely.
You had
I
because
think you should file it.
because it's secured. You have to be invited in. Once we're in, we can record, but we can't just barge our way in.
No, of course not.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
That's why it's like this.
All right. So if you want to take my complaint, I'll file a complaint. Thank you. Alrighty.
Thank you.
2107.
Would you like to file it online or over the phone?
If you got the CCRB complaint forms, that'll be
All right, so
perfect.
just have a seat.
I want to take a look at these pictures, okay?
Can you have a seat? I'm just going to do this quick. Let's try.
I don't want to
conduct
interfere
the
with you,
business. I know.
but I want to take a
do this
look
for
too.
you, all right. Just have a seat for me, and I will get it for you. Okay.
I got bad legs on.
So the thing with we can't interfere as long as we're not interfering with their business.
Right.
But if I'm in a public area, I shouldn't be interfering. Yeah, yeah. So this,
blocking the doorway or, you know.
yeah, as long as you're not impeding them. But
Let me see if I
that's the thing too. That's another thing too, that they can try to turn. You see how I want to walk over here? He can try to say that I'm impeding him because I'm trying to walk over here. So it's, but you also gotta prove that I'm impeding. You know what I mean? So
There's
it's,
a lot of games, but that's what the judge is for, right?
yeah, and that's what the recording is for as well. That's why we're recording too. That's like saying, yo, he was so ugly that he impeded me. You know what I mean?
He distracted me.
Yeah, yeah.
And
I wonder who these people are though.
former chiefs, captains.
So he said that his latest
No.
What are those things
His
called?
latest record.
Was that we could record, but
I wonder, but so I wonder if they put out.
what are those things called? The police thing?
Those are called. I forget. You know, I know what you're talking about.
You know what I'm talking about, right? The memos, basically, that they send down.
Messages.
Yeah.
Something message. It's a weird word.
I've never been in here. I've always recorded in here, though. That's CCRB right there,
The
too.
phone number to CCRB.
Yeah. Sergeant, do you know the date of the last memo that you received? Do you know the date on that?
Off top, no.
Okay. Is there a website that we can go to follow?
You guys, like the public? That I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure I got a couple of pull it up somewhere on the internet.
But I don't understand. Even if it wasn't stay, we still have the right to record act, which is a law. So I think that's
what the conflict is. It's
that's
two different lines of reasoning, right? And
But that's the reason why we won in the first place, was the right to record act.
Exactly.
So I'm just happy that we did.
Yo, you're like a magnet.
I know, you ain't know that?
I can't believe it.
Yeah.
I mean, what are you, 5'10"?
5'11"?
5'11"? It's odd. Like, right to you.
Always, bro.
Well, yeah.
Always, they always go hands on with me for some reason.
What's going on? And I'm like, what's going on?
Everybody says that too. Like,
what's happening? I don't know what's happening. The only thing I see happening is this guy's bugging, right? Yo, he was hostile, man.
He didn't like that.
He didn't like it.
He didn't like that I was pushing his hand down.
He was the only one. Like, everybody else was like wondering and a little confused or whatever. But he was the one that, It was odd.
Yeah. I just wanted to take it with me.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna fill it out of the night. I'm scared of. I'm scared of retaliation. That's why.
That's what I was asking.
No, I just wanted the paper. No. I know you're busy. You got a lot to do. I just want to take the paper. I appreciate it.
Thank you, brother.
Happy holidays, all right? God bless you, all right?
The sergeant eventually de-escalated the scene, admitting the right to record exists. The activist left with a complaint form and his dignity intact. The lesson: know your rights. Police cannot touch you without legal cause. If you believe in accountability and the First Amendment, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, and stand for justice. Stay safe and stay vocal.